Hello, Government Honors kids. Today is Friday. I am probably lifting boxes at this moment while you are here at school. So, I have all these ideas of what I wanted to do today, but time constraints has killed me. So, I have put together something, and it's not an easy assignment, kiddos. I have crushed together a couple of things. Yesterday we read, 2 days ago we read Rule of the Rich. And we had a discussion about wealth and oligarchy. I have 2 readings now that I want to add to this, and then there's an old assignment that I'm mixing into this as well. So you should have already done Declaration of Independence, watched it, answered the questions. But this particular assignment is read some documents and tell me how they're related to each other. They're open-ended questions, so however you see it, you see it. And I'm not too picky, you know. But I definitely want us to be able to have a discussion of how these things are related. Alright, let me get to your team's notebook here. I noticed that it's not on my screen where you guys are, but it's on another screen way over here. Holy moly. I'll go to second period. There, I'm hoping that is in your screen window that I'm recording. There you go. Let me make it smaller so it fits in here. Alright kids, here we go. You are going to class notebook, what else is new? And then you're going to homework. Let's choose anyone in here. Homework. Alright, it is called Real World. There you are. Okay, what kind of citizen, oligarchy nation, and the rule of the rich, how they relate to the DOI, the Declaration of Independence. So, what kind of citizen? There's a reading here. And then here's me reading it to you. You don't have to do that if you don't want. You know how I get when I'm watching a video.
Hey, how's it going?
So, there's that reading. Then you scroll down a little bit further, and down here we get Oligarchy Nation, and you read that. And then you have the DOI, and then you have this lovely form that you can click on right here and do your work, and then answer the open-ended questions. That is what you're doing today. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh yeah, don't forget, Monday is asynchronous, and on Tuesday, another testing day. So please, please, please keep your eyes peeled for all the schedules. Talk to you later. Bye.